This time I will look back on 2019. In the beginning of the year I started the project with the catamaran. I chose an old design that I found on the internet. Then I started the building process. I set up the strong back and got the framing in place. I fixed the outside shell before I prepared the canot yawl for the sailing season. Then the sailing season started with a boat tour on Lake Mälaren together with my oldest daughter. I did a boat tour of the Canot Yawl 400 to show any potential builders how it looks. In the beginning of the summer I bought a GoPro to get better filming possibilities when being close by the water. I tested the camera on the Swedish west coast. I sailed to the lighthouse Måseskär on the west coast and also had a look underwater. In the middle of the summer I spent a week in Finland and did a boat tour on that lake there with the Optimist. Later in the summer I did my boat dream tour to Landsort, the oldest lighthouse in Sweden. I did a tour with my two daughters and spent the night in tent on one of the islands close by. The sailing season ended with a solo sail on the sea. During the winter season I continued working on the catamaran. The mast and the rudder system got in place. I ended the year with working on the surface layers. Looking forward into 2020, I plan to finish the catamaran project and perhaps start another project before the sailing season starts. Of course I will try the catamaran as soon as it's weather for it. I hope you are looking forward to the building and sailing opportunities during 2020 as much as I do.